How do you change the wheel covers on a Tesla? It's the age-old question. It's what everyone's always wanted to know, I'm told. Let's find out how you do it. I'm Brian. Welcome to My Tesla Weekend. So a company called EVBase reached out to me months ago and said, I'd like you to do a video showcasing our product. And I said, I don't have a Tesla. And that changed because now I've got one. And so they reached out again and said, hey, would you showcase our products? And it didn't seem like a good fit. And so they got a little creative for me and they said, how about this instead? Why don't you make an instructional video and just use our product? And I was like, that, my friend, that I can do. So here we go. Let's check it out. So Scott is going to help me out here because Scott is a fellow member of the Washington Owners Club. Teresa's here too. She's the president, El Presidente. We are in the Veterans Day Parade. So how on earth, surely it takes a technician to remove these, right?
Right.
And I got to tell you, there we go, please don't. The rims look great. If you wanted to go with that, you could just get a center cap and away you go. Let's pop this open. I don't have anything to open it with. Mom stole my keys. Deeply scientific, the methods. Teresa's got her car looking so good for Veterans Day. Yeah, we have fun. By the way, if you're curious, do I go to events? Oh, the executives are here as well.
Hello.
Do I go to events? The answer appears to be, yes, I do. Here we go. Oh, look at that. So we line up there it is, right there. And can it be applied? Can it be put on without a technician? A little more on the back here. Wow. That looks sick. That looks so good. Factory. It does make the wheels look bigger. Oh, that's sick. Okay. Well, let's do one more. So complicated. However, do we do it? Wow, that looks different.
Yeah, that's totally a new car.
That is totally a new car?
On your new car.
On my new car. And I was concerned that it would, that they would look cheesy or
Right.
not very custom, but what a difference.
Yeah.
Oh, they look awesome.
They do look good. Let's go ahead and pop that on there. Oh, look for where the wheel stem, yeah, you find the cutout. Look at the front of it. You'll find one of them has there. We're seeing if got one spot, next spot, next spot. And that's it. That is it. That is what it takes to make your ride look new. Oh, wow. So I guess I would say a thanks to EVBase because I was not convinced. You know what I was going to do was give these away, but I don't think I'm gonna. We're going to get the diplomat's opinion here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right?
That looks so different.
It looks so different. The other nice thing is the fact that they stick out more means that you're going to rub these on a curb instead of the rims themselves, which is an improvement. So now that I've trained, I've certified my technicians. That's it. My technician has solved it.
Oh, I mean, without it,
It's, well, yes, but you put a center cap on it and then it looks better. Because those are nice rims already.
there, yeah.
And the technician is solving it. And I think we'll have Dom do the fourth one.
What?
You've seen how to do it, Max. Instruct him on where the thing goes.
This one is rounded.
Yeah.
That goes on that.
Corresponds to where the stem is. And that is it. That is how you change the wheel covers on a Tesla. All right, Tom, you're up. Yeah, you know what? I like the originals, but these new ones they are pretty. Hands, yep, and just yoink.
That's easy.
Oh my gosh.
Did it?
These stars, I should point out, are not factory. These were added by us for the Veterans Day parade. There you go. Yep, just give it. My technicians are solving the problem. Just, yep, get in there. Get it done. Trying to shield the wind from the microphone. And that is it. So, yeah, thank you to EVBase for convincing me to make a video on how to change out wheel covers on a Tesla. There is a coupon code, I am sure. Please do check it out if and you get the chance. And, yeah, that was a lot of fun. And again, I do these events. I do all kinds of events. If you need me at your event, get in touch. Who knows? I might be able to make it, and I enjoy going. I go to the Michigan events. I go to the California events. I go to the Texas events, even when they don't want me there. So, yeah, what did I miss? What did I misunderstand? Stay tuned. Stay juicy. Can't wait to hear from you clever robots on the next one.